Hello from room number 527 at the Cologne Marriott Hotel. You see on the floor plan here, it's not just this piece but also this. So I didn't just get a room, I got a suite, I got an upgrade. And this is a huge room, yeah, as mentioned, not one room, it's several rooms. The entrance area with eating or a conference table, and then big mirror here, and then we have the seating area. It's a living room with nice, comfortable sofa and chairs, and then desk here. No mirror, but it's a window to the entrance department. So one TV here, storage room below, and then let's go on. It's like a flat, you know, it's huge like a flat. Even for a suite, you know, you can have much smaller suites. This is huge. Nice, big, king-size bed. And another television. With more storage room. Here the same as in the living room. And then you have also night tables with drawers and big cupboards with a luggage rack here and ironing board, iron bathrobes. And then we have a coffee machine, very nice. A safe and a fridge. As always in the Marriott hotels, you just have a fridge, no mini bar, and the bathroom with a bathtub and two sinks. So you can imagine I'm impressed. I have never had such a big hotel room, and I don't know how many square meters this must be, maybe 60 or something like that. It's really not just two rooms, bedroom and living room, but a third room if you want. So this is awesome. And I got this upgrade because I first got an upgrade already to an executive room. I had booked a Grand Deluxe Room, which is bigger than basic normal guest rooms, and but I got a quite small room, not larger than the rooms I had before when I stayed here. So I asked for the Grand Deluxe one I had booked. For me that was more important than executive lounge access, and so there was no Grand Deluxe room available, so I got a double upgrade now like this. You can imagine I'm very happy about that. I think I showed you all the main features now, and yeah, not yet the view. That's always important. Here the view is not such a great one. It's towards an office building on that side. Yeah, you really just see the office building. And then on this side it's, I think it must be, yeah, hotel. So that was a quick room tour, or a 3-room tour, or at least 2-room tour of suite number 527 at the Marriott Cologne, Köln, Germany. Thanks for watching. Till next time.